Hello guys and welcome back. So now from this video onwards we will start working on our Gangster AI, in which we will be adding the Gangster mention, and also we will add the Gangster AI, or you can say the Bodyguard AI, in which that bodyguard or you can say gangster will protect the mention, and inside the mention we will have the main villain, which will be the boss of that mention and that gangsters. Okay, so we will be creating these three things. So first of all we will be adding the mention. So if we go ahead and find some place for our mention, for example this open area, okay, you can add this mention wherever you want, but I will just simply choose this area for the mention. And once you choose your area, then just simply go ahead and download these two winner files. In the first one you will find the gangster house and the player house and the other props, and in this one you will find the main villain, or you can say the boss, and also the gangsters. So let's start from the first one. Let's click on extract here. After extracting you will find these three files. The first one will be the 3D object file, and the second one will be the Unity package file. So let's start from this Unity package file. Double click on it. In here you will find all of these things. So let's just simply click on import. So as you can see, it is imported inside the prefab folder. This is the gangster mention, and then this is the player house, as you can see, and this will be the player house prefabs, and this is the gangster mention prefabs. And in here you will find this bus, and in here you will find the gate of the mention, okay, which is this one. So all of these things are right here in this prefabs folder. Now after this, let's go ahead and add this fence file as well. So we can just simply drag and drop this right here inside this prefab folder, and if we click on it, in here you will find this fence, as you can see. So I have taken this whole fence from my previous project, okay, and I am giving this to you guys as well, so in order to save our time. So if we just simply drag and drop it, it will show this whole fence, and inside this fence we will add our mention. Because we just can't add this fence one by one and then just cover this whole area, it will take a lot of time, okay. And let me tell you that this fence was inside our town folder, okay. This is not from anywhere, this is inside the town folder. Where is it? Okay, if we click on this starter asset environment, then inside this town constructor pack, if you go inside the props folder, in here you will find this fence, okay. This is the same fence which we added right here, okay, in this whole area. These are the same fences. So let's import our other file now. We have imported these two, so now let's just remove that and keep this one on the side. Now let's extract this one. As you can see, in here you will find these two .unity package file. The first one will be the rebels and the second one will be the boss. So let's double click on this boss unity package. Okay, as you can see, this will be added inside our player folder, which is this one. So let's just simply click on import, and as you can see the boss folder in here. But actually we will remove this boss folder from here. Let's drag and drop this inside the prefabs folder, okay. Now you will find the boss character right here. This character is from the maximo.com, so you can just go ahead and find this character there. And if you want to use some other character, then feel free to use your own character, but I will just simply use this one. And this is the animation for this boss character, okay. If we drag and drop the boss in there, as you can see, this will be the animation for this boss character. Now let's add the rebels, or you can say the gangsters. So if we double click on this unity package file, As you can see right here, you will find all of the textures, materials, and then the prefabs right in here. Okay, so we can just simply click on import. So it is imported. If we see the rebels folder right here, you will find all of the gangster, as you can see. Now let's move this folder to the prefab folder as well, so that we have everything inside a single folder. Okay, so we now have the gangster mentions, we have the boss, we have the gangsters. Okay, now in the next video we will set everything up, and then we will create the gangster AI, and then everything will be set up in its place. So let's end this video right here.